Imagine a place sculpted by time and touched by legends. A place where the earth itself tells a story spanning over 2,000 years. Welcome to Banaue, Philippines, home of the legendary rice terraces, an engineering marvel and breathtaking testament to the human spirit. Located high in the Cordillera Mountains, these stairways to heaven were hand-carved by the indigenous Ifugao people, transforming sheer mountainsides into a vibrant living masterpiece. It is a world where ancient ingenuity meets a harmony with nature that you can feel in the air you breathe. But as you fly over the heart of the town, you'll see that Banaue isn't just a monument to the past. It's a living, breathing community, a place where kids will swarm you when you walk by the school. But not like Manila, where they're asking for money. They just want to ask questions, and they're genuinely curious. Below you lies a culture rich in tradition and spirit, where the warmth of Filipino hospitality is as constant as the mountain mist. Wander through these charming streets, explore the bustling local markets, and connect with the soul of the region. Beyond the terraces, adventure is everywhere. You can trek through the lush emerald forest, discover hidden waterfalls tucked away in the valleys, or simply stand and let the panoramic views quiet your mind. And late in the evening, as the sun begins to set, painting the patties in hues of gold and crimson, you realize why Banaue is more than just a destination on a map. It's an experience that stays with you long after you left. Coming from someone who took the 8-hour bus ride from Manila into these beautiful mountains, I can't stress enough. I know that Banaue seems like just a random spot on a map, but it's a spot you need to explore and experience.